leva takten alla Fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen. Stå på stort, det har vi alltid gjort.
Hey there, I hope you all are doing good today. My name is Vaidehi and welcome to my channel Brown Life. आज हम देखेंगे all the rituals that I follow for a pain-free period, and without wasting any time, let's start with the video. Starting off by preparing a drink that will help you reduce your period pain. I usually like to have it when I'm very close to my period, and I'm not saying कि इससे आपका pain completely गायब हो जाएगा, but it definitely has some health benefits that's very important while you are on your periods. इसे बनाने के लिए you will need hibiscus के petals, lemongrass का एक पत्ता, दालचीनी और cinnamon stick, and also a ginger. You can also add a slice of lemon if you want to. इन सारे ingredients को पानी में उबाल ले अच्छे से until it comes to half. And sweetness के लिए I completely avoid having sugar. Instead you can go for jaggery powder जो आपके periods में बहुत healthy माना जाता है. कुछ 10 या 15 मिनट बाद ये तैयार हो जाएगा. And this is how this magical drink looks like. This drink will help you relaxing your muscles around the bladder and uterus. It's also rich in vitamin C. It will also detoxify your body. Cinnamon will help you with nausea and vomiting. ये आपके digestion को improve करेगा. साथ ही साथ आपके hormones को balance करेगा, which will help you achieve pain-free period. Periods में जब आपका estrogen level high हो जाता है, your body goes through tender breast and body stiffness. इसे कम करने के लिए daily अपने breast को massage करना is extremely important. But if it's not possible, at least try doing it when you are on your cycle. Breast को इस तरह massage करने से blood का circulation बढ़ता है और इसके और भी कई फायदे हैं. For example, preventing breast cancer. Usually when you are on your periods, your bladder muscles tries to contract जो आपके abdomen में immense amount of pain create करता है. इसे कम करने के लिए abdomen और navel को ऑयलिंग करना is very beneficial. ये आपके बॉडी को अंदर से मॉइस्चराइज करेगा और पूरे बॉडी को मसाज करने से आपकी स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी कम हो जाएगी. Another great way to lubricate your body from inside is very important to have ghee water every single morning. To make this, you will need some warm water, add a spoonful of ghee, preferably homemade ghee. Give it a nice mix and drink this every single morning. आपकी बॉडी को अंदर से lubricate, मॉइस्चराइज और हाइड्रेटेड रखेगा. आपके पीरियड साइकिल को इजी फ्लोइंग और रिलैक्स रखेगा. अगर ये नहीं कर सकते तो एटलीस्ट एड घी इन योर डाइट while you're eating your lunch or dinner. Already इतने पेन में गलत पैड यूज करने से हमारे थाइज में रैशेस क्रिएट होते हैं, which is very painful. Currently I'm using the sanitary napkins by the brand Everteen, which is ideal for heavy flows. इसका टॉप लेयर सॉफ्ट होने के साथ साथ ये enriched है with neem and saffron. इसमें किसी भी तरह के bleaching, inks, latex, chlorine या phthalates नहीं है. Ayurveda has always talked about neem, which is enriched with anti-irritant, antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. It clears rashes, soothes the skin and avoid having redness and pain. On the other hand, saffron extract in these pads is an acclaimed skincare lubricant and moisturizer that lightens even the stubborn skin tan. These premium period pans are 320 mm long with wide डबल फ्लैप सिस्टम 8 लेयर प्रोटेक्शन जो आपको एक अच्छा ग्रिप प्रोवाइड करता है टू कीप द पैड इन प्लेस इवन ड्यूरिंग प्रोलॉन्ग्ड यूज. आई मोस्टली यूज इट व्हाइल आई एम ट्रैवलिंग एंड इट हैज नेवर इरिटेटेड माय स्किन. साथ ही साथ इफ यू सी इट हैज एक्स्ट्रा वाइड कवरेज एट द बैक जो आपके पीरियड्स में आपको सिक्योरिटी देता है और आपको लीक से बचाता है. लेट मी ऑल्सो टेल यू, एक वीमेन एवरेज 30 to 40 ml पीरियड ब्लड शेड करती है एंड समटाइम्स ऑल्सो शेड 60 ml of period blood, and that's when these long and soft sanitary napkins comes in really handy. Just to show you all, I have done a small experiment. This is how your period blood gets absorbed in the pad. It quickly absorbs all the period blood. क्योंकि ये quick absorb कर लेता है सब कुछ, it does not leaves your surface wet जो आपकी skin को irritate कर सकता है. I have patted a dry tissue paper all over the pad. You guys can see there is no mark at all. If you also want to get your hands on it, it's available at Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho and Everteen's official website. Check out the description box for all the links. Moving on, I have experienced body stiffness every time I am on my cycle. That's when hot water bath has always helped me. But sometimes to minimize the soreness, I like to add some Epsom salt in my bathing water. To calm my mind, I also like to add some rose petals, which works as an amazing aromatherapy. Mixing them together is very beneficial for your overall body muscles. Magnesium in Epsom salt can stabilize your mood, also relaxes your uterine muscle contraction. You can also use Epsom salt in some other way, for example using it as a body scrub. Cleaning and scrubbing your feet with hot water opens up your pores and provides oxygen to your entire body. Doing these things relaxes your mind and your body muscles. We all know our skin goes for a toss every time we start PMSing. Since your estrogen level increases, your skin starts to produce hell lot of oil, and to prevent it, these are all the things that I like to do. सबसे पहले in the bowl I'll take some hot water. उसमें गुलाब की सारी पंखुड़ियाँ soak करेंगे, and this is our natural DIY rose water. You can either use it as a mist or make ice cubes out of it. Now to open up all the clogged pores, I like to steam my face. It opens up your pores. And now to reduce excess oil production, I like to make this DIY face mask. It contains equal amount of sandalwood, multani mitti and rose water. Multani mitti being a clay detoxifies your skin from within. Doing this 2 times a week will help your skin glow from within. Simply apply rose mist and you are done. Being a woman, it's very important to understand what our body requires. I am a gym enthusiast, but sometimes on my periods, I like to do certain activities or certain exercises at home in my comfort zone that will help me open up the pelvic region that helps with period cramps. Yoga can also help regulate your menstrual cycle if your periods are delayed due to lifestyle factors. These asanas, yoga or stretching exercises are readily available on YouTube. Make use of it and keep a check on your period health. Next up is to deal with oily and itchy scalp. I don't know how many of you ladies have experienced but I have seen my scalp getting oily and itchy on my cycle. This is when this DIY hair oil comes in really handy. To make it, all you will require is neem patta, curry patta which is curry leaves, and tulsi or basil which has antibacterial properties. इस oil में iron content increase करने के लिए I'm gonna take a लोहे की कढ़ाई and oil that suits your local temperature. I'm gonna take some sesame oil. Now in this oil हम सभी पत्तों को अच्छे से cook करेंगे. Make sure आपने पत्तों को अच्छे से धोकर ड्राई किया है ताकि ऑयल में किसी तरह की गंदगी ना जाए. टू इंक्रीज इट्स पोटेंसी आई हैव आल्सो एडेड सम मेथी दाना ताकि मेरी हेयर ग्रोथ भी अच्छी हो जाए. लेट इट कुक फॉर 10 minutes and your DIY hair oil is ready. Now this oil is quite beneficial for your scalp health, will help you reduce dandruff and increase hair growth. Massage your scalp with this oil for at least 10 minutes and let it sit for an hour, or you can also keep it overnight. On your menstrual cycle it may happen कि आपका hair fall थोड़ा ज्यादा हो, which is very normal. Using a mild shampoo, clean your scalp thoroughly and also do not forget to condition. Well, Ayurveda also says that you should not take head to toe shower when you are on your period, but being in a modern society, it's quite difficult to follow. I usually prefer washing my hair on 3rd or 4th day as I bleed less, and those are my comfortable days. Also, let your hair soak in the sunlight and absorb essential vitamin from it. We all know about period cravings, everyone goes through it, even I do. But you need to understand that your food intake should be very wholesome and rich in protein, fiber, essential nutrients, salad and lot many things. Premenstrual syndrome can be very difficult. This is the time when you usually go through mood swings, and that's when meditation helps you. I'm not saying कि आप भगवान के पास बैठ के meditate करो, but every time you feel you are irritated, meditation can help. You can do it at your home, in the balcony or in front of God. It's completely your take. Last but not the least, water retention. This mostly happens when you wake up or either you are on your periods. To deal with it, simply take a ice maker, add a bowl that fits your face, add some ice cubes and some water and dip in your face. I know this might sound time taking. If you wish, you can simply take an ice cube and rub your face with it. And these are all the rituals that I like to follow every time I am on my menstruation. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.